ice coming. And if you're leaving Nevada, guess where I'm headed? I'll let you marinate on that for a minute. But if you're not from Nevada, if you don't live here, I'm headed to, I'll let you know when I get there, all right? So, enjoy the scenery for a little bit. I'll let you do a video when I get there. See you soon. Yo, still on the road. I'll give you another hint. Well, I'll give you a hint. It's about 45 minutes outside of Las Vegas. Nice small little town. But let's see. I should be there in about 10 minutes or something. Maybe 10 minutes. But anyway. It's a nice little drive. Alright, here's another hint. Look at all these billboards here. Oh, we just passed up another billboard, but we're in town. That's not where I'm headed. There's another one right there, another billboard. There's more billboards there. You figured it out yet? Where I'm going? You're probably thinking, why you wanna play your games on me? Why you wanna? Yeah, what song is that from? Yo, check it out. I'm here at Pahrump at the Red Apple. It's a warehouse actually where you can purchase fireworks. But yeah, I'm here, man. Check it out. There's a lot of places where you can buy fireworks, but I chose this one because it's closer. Well, actually, it's not that. They're all same vicinity, but this one's a little bit closer. Just right off the highway. But anyway, enjoy. I'm about to go inside. Hopefully, they'll let me film. And that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Actually, let's go inside. All right, we're about to get in. Max is pushing the cart. Let's check this place out. Oh, thanks. All right. Can I film? Oh, cool. All right. Check it out. Check out this place. Fireworks galore. Look at all this. It's a warehouse. You can just purchase all the fireworks you want. They've got them all. So let's see what Max wants. Max, what do you like?
I want to get the boom.
Oh, well. Let's go check it out.
Yeah. No, you're good. But you need
And everyone's getting in
put it
line.
on top of this. Don't put any more up here.
There's fireworks everywhere.
That price tag over
Let's go in this aisle. It's less crowded. All right, so Max is leaning more towards powerful fireworks than last year because he's 12 years old now, so he wants something a little bit more. What am I trying to say? Something more powerful than sparklers and stuff like that, and fountains and stuff. So he wants like firecrackers and bottle rockets. So we'll see what we got. We'll try to find it. All right. We'll see what they got. Man, they got them everywhere. Look at all these. Look at all that. Anyway, I'm here to buy fireworks, but guess what I met? I'm trying
Minnie.
to get
Say hi, Minnie.
Chihuahua. I'm trying to get one of these.
3 pounds.
So he breeds them, so we'll probably in about 6 months he'll have them. So you'll see me with one too. Yep, right there. All right, we'll get some firecrackers. What do you got? Flash crackers. Get some good ones, Max.
Okay.
Let's see. $9. What's a good find? Get the good brand.
These ones.
Those? All right, let's get those. Let's get a brick of those. See, just get a brick. Oh my bad. Get another one. No, get these ones.
The gold ones?
The gold ones.
What about these ones?
We already got some. We got some here. What about these ones?
Where?
Let's get some bottle rockets. Let's get some something with the mortar. Let's see what else they got. Let's get one of these for Max. Bombs, artillery. Let's see what they got. Let's get one of these. Max will like these. Just grab any of those. You already got it? Okay. Let's go get some Roman candles or something.
Roman candles next time.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yo, let's get some bottle rockets. There are those. Max, you want some Firehawks?
No.
You just grabbed it. Then why'd you get it?
Because I want it.
Okay.
Max wants the one that says, he wants the fireworks that go boom. You know that song? You like the cars that go boom. Where Tigra and Bunny. Y'all don't know about that song? If you do, let me know. You might win a prize.
Yeah, here we go. Let's get some Roman candles.
Yeah, guys.
Right here. That's a good one. As long as it says record on it, are you good?
Same thing.
Check it out. Damn, they got a whole
Roman candy.
freaking road just Roman candles. Oh, sorry. What did you say, Max?
Probably get Saturn missiles.
Want some Saturn missiles? Yeah, go ahead. No, you can't.
Yes, you can. She said this is the one that has to be secured.
Boba bombs. What are boba bombs? Let's get it. All right, so we're in line now for the checkout. Boy, the line is pretty long. So it's gonna be a minute. All right, we're near the end of the checkout line, so finishing up. Check out.
I'm the macho man.
All right, everyone. So stay motivated. Inspire someone today. And happy hunting on whatever you're doing, all right? So enjoy. Have a good day. Have a good 4th. And a safe 4th. And have fun, all right? Thanks a lot.